Hey guys, welcome back to the DeFi Passive Income YouTube channel. So today we are going to take a look over the project Ruby. So this project is really early in its stage and it has been out for a few days now. So we are really early into this project. So this project is similar to that of Baked Beans project. The difference is that Baked Beans is on the Binance Smart Chain and this Ruby is on the Avalanche chain. So before moving any further, please note that I am not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. So please do your own research before investing into any of these projects. So currently the contract holds 7030 Avax, which is a pretty good number for a new project, and it means new investors are coming in and investing into this contract. So what this contract does is, so how this project works is basically you come in here, you deposit your AVAX into this contract. Suppose if you want to deposit one AVAX, you'll just type it in one and click on hire miners. Now this one AVAX will be gone, it is our sunk cost, and this one AVAX will be converted into rubies, and these rubies will generate you AVAX per day. The higher the number of rubies that you have, the more rewards they will generate per day. So this one initial deposit will be gone. You cannot withdraw it as it is. The only way you can get your one AVAX back is through the recompounding and collecting. But you cannot claim your rewards daily, and we will come to that in a second. So first of all, take a look at the daily return. They are currently providing 8% of daily return over your investment, and their APR is 2920%. The deposit and withdraw fees is 8%. Okay, so moving on to how these types of contract works. You cannot collect your rewards daily. Please keep that in mind. If you do so, your daily return will be reduced down to, suppose, let's say 3% or 5%. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to follow a 6:1 strategy. So this strategy is, you will compound or you will rehire 6 days a week and you will collect your rewards on the 7th day. So suppose you are depositing your AVAX on Monday, then on Tuesday you will come at the same time, you will click on rehire, which is basically the recompound button here. You will recompound your rewards on Tuesday and you will keep doing so until Saturday. But on the Sunday you will come here and you will collect your rewards. So you will have to compound 6 days a week and you can claim your reward on the 7th day. So by doing this, you can ROI in 5 to 6 weeks. So this 6:1 strategy is what keeps these projects sustainable over a longer period of time. If the community works together and new investors are coming in into the project, then this project can sustain itself over a longer period of time. And we have seen this with the Baked Beans project. It has been around for I think 3 to 4 months now, and it is going on pretty well. So if we look onto their white paper, this is their white paper. I will leave all the links down in the description box below. You can go through them by yourself. So this is their white paper. So you'll have to compound 6 times a day, reinvest your daily rewards to hire more miners that will non-stop get rubies out of the ground and increase your earnings exponentially. There is a 8% fee on invest and sale of rubies. And this is a good thing that there is no fee taken when you reinvest your rewards. Now here comes the strategy part, which I have explained, the 6:1 strategy. You can read this as well if you are still confused. And the minimum investment that you can go is 0.1 AVAX. And moving on to their contract. As you can see, the transactions are going on right now, which means new investors are coming in, investing in this project. And coming over to the audit, they have been audited by Haze Crypto, and they've got a rating of 2.5 out of 5. There is one high issue that they have listed here, and the high issue is the system used is called ROI and must be considered high risk. Users' principal deposit cannot be withdrawn. Users can get dividends and referral commission. So they are basically saying that your initial deposit will be gone and you can claim it back through daily rewards, which we have covered already. High risk issue. So keep that in mind. And this is an official audit. So coming on to over our spreadsheet, the current AVAX price is $83. So suppose we are depositing $1,000 worth of AVAX and our daily return is 8%, compound tax is 0, and the deposit tax is 0.08. And we will be compounding it daily, so we'll put our 24 hours here. So as you can see, our $1,000 worth of AVAX on the first day it will be $920 because of the deposit tax of 8%, and on the first day it will be generating an ROI of $73.60. Now on second day you will come in here and you will recompound your rewards, and the total value will be $993. You'll keep doing this until day 6, and on day 6, as you can see, your initial investment will be $1,351 and your daily ROI would be $108. On 7th day, instead of compounding, you will claim your rewards in Avax. On day 7th, you can claim up to $116 worth of Avax into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet. So you'll keep doing this for the next week as well, and on the day 14, second week, you will claim $200. So in 2 weeks, you can claim up to $316 worth of AVAX. Now you can ROI on day 35. So little over a month you can ROI your AVAX, and after that it will just keep going on exponentially. These are your daily earnings, guys. So guys, this is the power of this project and the 6:1 strategy that we have discussed earlier in the video. So guys, that's it. This is a Ruby mine project really early. So guys, I hope you have liked the content. If yes, please like the video and hit that subscribe button for more future videos like this.